I bought myself something nice. Unbox it with me. So y'all know I love a good gift. Okay. Yes. I needed something to give me a pick-me-up. Work has been hard lately. Life has been stressful. I'm in this constant state of being overwhelmed. And I just feel pressure from the world to always be on. I needed something to treat myself. So I bought this bag. And Coach thing in here. I got my little customized tag, as it said. Okay, I can't wait to carry this. I'm gonna add some charms and customize it a little bit more, but this is my perfect new work fall bag.